Welcome to Programming ABC. It is a console application tutorial. How to write date and time in Lazarus IDE. My application to run. Add your program here. Write from here. To write only date. Right line current date is date to string str now. Right line current time to get time, current time of computer or PC. Current time to string now. Date and time together. Right line current date and time. Date time to string now. Press enter key to exit. Now compile. Console application. Current date is current time, current date and time. Thank you for watching.